Right guys, I've been treating myself. I've upgraded. I used to use the SkyVac Mighty Atom, and I've decided to buy, I went to GVS, Gutter Vacuum Systems, and had a look at all their vacuum cleaners. That's similar power and wattage. Works out it's actually more powerful than the SkyVac I've got. So I've now purchased Panther, that's it. The Gutter Vacuum System Panther, and a generator. So I'm going to just do an unboxing reveal of it, see how it goes. Oh, and the if you can hear that hissing noise, that's my RO system that's filling up, ready for the week. It's exciting to see this. It's well packed. It's a 1700 watt motor. So I received the generator this morning and the gutter vac this afternoon. I only ordered the generator yesterday and the gutter vac 2 days ago. So also I'll explain about the poles as well. I've not ordered any poles yet because I did recently get some new poles for the SkyVac, which I'm going to try and use on this for now, but I've decided I am going to purchase some from GVS, some poles, and I'm going to get the carbon fibre 51mm. I thought it was just one box, please. There's a packet there, a box there, a box there, and a box there. Plenty of toys. It came on a pallet, by the way, so I've taken it off the pallet. I don't know what's in there, but I'm gonna find out. Oh, it's the filter, cloth filter, nice and big. I like how it looks actually. I'll just put that there for now. See what's in there. Oh, a nice one. So this is my decals for the van. I bought 2. So I'm going to advertise that I do gutter clearing, even though I do anyway, but it's advertising the system I use as well. Let's get rid of this rubbish. Put that down there. Let's see what this tiny box is. I like getting new toys. Ah, right, okay. So I ordered these separately as well, as a spare, but it's got all the nozzles. I've got the flat end, which you don't get that with the Mighty Atom, which is, you get a plastic thing and it's not very good. Then there's that gulper with the different shape on the end. And then there's that, I don't know what it's called, that one. They're all wrapped in like a film as well that needs to come off. And then there's a claw one that grabs hold of. So when that's in the gutter, grabs hold of, if it's thick like grass and stuff, helps break it down. It's probably called a breaker. Anyway, I'll make use of it. Let's get that somewhere safe. Just put it there. Then I ordered a spare HEPA filter. Don't think I'll use that much anyway, but it's not as big looking as I thought actually. I might use it and try it out, but I bought a spare anyway. And then I bought a spare one of these. This is the sponge filter. Right, let's get all the filters together there. Plenty of boxes. Yeah, I'll open this one next, I think. Because I've got a feeling I know what the big one is. The main system. Oh yes, 10-metre hose. So the day after I ordered it, I got a phone call from Julia at Gutter Vacuum Systems, and this vacuum comes with 5 metres, but I quickly asked if I could pay the extra for having 10 metres hose, and it comes with a nice solid end on there that clips into the vacuum. And because my poles are only 44 at the moment, I ordered a cuff for the 44 pole, but when I order the 51s, I'm going to order a new cuff, and that's on there, screws on there. That's brilliant. And Julia said to me, if I'm using my poles that I've already got from SkyVac, I just have to dip this in warm water, and as soon as I put that onto the pole, it'll mould to the size of the 44mm pole that I've got, because I won't use that end piece for anything else. As soon as I've got my 51 poles, that'll be it. So that's fabulous. Put that there. Let's get this open. I've been dying to see this. And eventually I am going to sell my SkyVac Mighty Atom. It's recently had some new poles to it, and only 2 out of 6 poles have been used, because I'm still using the original poles. So yeah, I'm going to sell that, but I'm going to get my 51mm poles first from Gutter Vacuum System. Instructions. Have a look at them in a bit. Now this definitely looks taller than what I've already got, than the SkyVac Mighty Atom, and it feels more heavier and solid, and definitely better wheels. These have got brakes on, so it doesn't roll away, where the Mighty Atom doesn't have brakes, it rolls away. I can tell straight away this is better quality. I'm not knocking the Mighty Atom because it's a brilliant little vac. But this is the Mercedes version. So as you can see, another filter, because I ordered 3 spare filters. Oh, look at that. I've had a treat. I got a free cap, a free hat for winter. Definitely be wearing that. I like mine, but I like that as well. Brilliant. Looks like I'm going to have to order a mug for a coffee. Yeah, brilliant. You can tell the weight difference. I think it's the whales on the bottom that's heavier, making it heavier, but this head unit is it's got some weight in it as well. It's impressive. 2 little clips on the side. It's a nice feel switch. Nice little bit there to hang your cable on. Yeah, impressed with that. Like it. I like the colour as well. Right now, so that's that. There's another parcel, and it's the generator to supply the power for it. So I do not have to rely on customers' electricity now. Now this parcel, I've got to make sure I get the right oil for it. Oh wow. Instructions. I've just had another surprise. It's another hat. So that's 2 spare. That's brilliant. Got a vacuum systems. Don't get that from SkyVac. No free gifts like that. So this comes with a funnel. I'll have a look at that in a bit. Well, that's it. That goes up, yeah. So you get a funnel for the oil. Oh, it's a beast. Don't know where to start. I really like the colour, the green and the black. Oh, there's a little toolkit here as well. It's got a screwdriver and a spark plug remover. I suppose you stick that in there. Another luxury. I'm so glad I've spotted this and changed brands. It's not very light, but it's bigger than I thought. Let's try and get this out. Look at that beast. It's massive. Didn't expect it to look that big. And it's got a fuel gauge on top. I bet it's half size of that gutter vac if I tip it on its side. Let's see what it's got here. Something feels wet underneath. No, it's like grease or something. Oh, it smells like oil. Now that feels good there because it's got like something rubber feet, so it feels nice. when you put it down. Oh, that looks amazing. There's a little trapdoor here, I don't know what that is. Oh, it says oil. So you must put the oil in there. Little trapdoor. That's the exhaust. This bit opens up here, I think. Oh, it shows spark plug in there. This is an impressive looking machine. So you've got to start it. I can't start it yet because I've got no fuel or oil. There's a choke, so I presume that you put the choke, leave it on that, pull that string. As soon as it fires up, then turn it on to on, and then there's an off switch. I'll play with that another day, but I need to go order some poles now, make it complete. So I think that's it. Everything's out of the box. In fact, I'm going to put it back in its box till I get some fuel. But yeah, brilliant. Got some boxes to get rid of. Oh, that's massive, is that? Right, thanks for watching. You've seen me unboxing, and I need to start using now. I have got customers booked in for gutter clearance, so this will be getting used. So that, just again, that's the front of it. Thanks for watching. See you next video.